Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm just going to be briefly talking about some of the recent Colourpop palettes that I hauled and give you guys a brief review. Alright, so to get right into it, if you guys haven't seen, I absolutely love this palette. The Zodiac palette is probably one of my favorite Colourpop palettes ever. The color story speaks to me in so many ways. I love how it can be neutral and bright. It's just literally like all around, like this is almost like the perfect palette for me. So I really love this, and I hope Colourpop includes mirrors from now on in their palettes, because for me, I wear glasses and all of that, so my blind ass really appreciates a mirror, so I absolutely love that. And these are such a great deal, and they're just so stunning, so really love this palette. I think Kathleen Lights and Colourpop did an amazing job on this. So next is the My Little Pony palette. I was really excited because I actually got this on sale for like $12.80. Depending on when you watch this, it might still be in there if you just go underneath their sale. This is what the palette looks like. I actually really like this palette as well. I'm not gonna lie, I love all these. I actually was really happy with all of them that I bought. I don't know why I'm going like this, like there's a mirror. Really love all the ones I bought. I've used a lot of this one. As you can tell, it's like really messy. I really love how this one is so unique because it's like shimmery and it's got like this almost like blue reflect in certain lights, and I've been really loving that for underneath the brow bone and in the inner corner, and I've been using that shade a lot. And I really love this nude shade here. It's like this like off-tone skin, like skin tone. I don't know, it's just so perfect for my skin tone to blend in the crease, and it can just blend anything. All these shades are actually amazing. You can see where I dipped into a lot of them. I used all of them except this one. Have I used this one? It looks like I barely used this one. I think I only used this one as a liner though, so I can't speak on how it looks on the lid because I only used that one as a liner, but this was so amazing. I'm surprised this didn't sell more. I will say, I wish it wasn't like all My Little Pony'd out. Nothing against it. Obviously, I still bought it, but I'm not like a My Little Pony girl, but definitely for the colors inside, really recommend trying this, especially for 12 bucks. Like, it's great, so might as well give it a shot. Next is the Element of Surprise palette, and this is what it looks like here. I actually got this because it was based off my one of my best friend's recommendations. She wears this a lot, and it's her favorite Colourpop palette. And she, you know, she goes in on some Colourpop, so I know if this was one of her favorites and it stood out, to definitely give it a shot. And also, every time she wore it, I really loved the look she created. I did get to use this a few times, not as many times as these ones, but I have used this a few times, and guys, I really like this. I've been having a lot of fun with this. I really like this pink, and I love this, like, it's like a purpley, but it's like gray, and I've been really been into like these muted, like lilac gray shades, so I absolutely love that. Like, these shimmers here, like this one, I'm sorry, I don't do the name thing, because I always mess up with Colourpops, but like these two are so shimmery, especially if you spray a little bit of Fix Plus or a little bit of the Smashbox Primer Water. You spray that on your brush, and oh my god, these pick up so bright and shimmery. Really love them. This one, this brown here with a little bit of the gold reflect, unless you really pack it on the lid as like a based like shade, you're not really going to see the gold reflex, but I do really like that, so you could use that as a matte shade if you want. But I absolutely love this. I find this to be, I don't know, neutral, but yet like you could do a brighter look if you wanted to. The other day I felt a little bold because normally I stick to mattes in the crease, but I had fun putting this pink shade in the crease, putting a little bit of this in the outer V to darken it, and then I put that in the front, and then a little bit of this in the front, and it really like popped, and it looks so pretty. I also use that a little bit as a underbrow highlight. Yeah, it came out so pretty. I can't wait to use this palette some more. I'll be doing some chit chat, get ready with me's, and let me know which palette you guys would like to see out of any of my palettes. If you guys know which palettes I have from past videos or anything, just let me know. I will say it's so boring and all that, but my favorite shade in this palette is this one. I just find it to be like that perfect, like, I don't know, like butterscotch, like, oh, it's just like the perfect like crease shade. I absolutely just love that brown. It's like literally the perfect brown for me. I do like this one too, but there's something about this one. It just has like a warmth, and it just looks so buttery. I just really love that shade. But so far I've absolutely been loving all three of these palettes. Definitely recommend trying them, especially these two. Get this before, I would definitely recommend this one out of all of them. Get it before it goes away. Definitely recommend getting this one first, and then I would probably say the Element Surprise, and then the My Little Pony, only for the fact that I know most people won't always use colors like these, so Definitely recommend picking this up though. I think a lot of people will love this, and I just think the color story in this is fantastic. So definitely, I would definitely recommend picking that up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I didn't babble on too much, but thank you guys. I appreciate it, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks. Bye.